Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the left upper corner. So let's tap. Then let's go to languages. And here, tap on More. So we've been transferred to the list of languages. Here we've got our languages, so those which were previously applied, and here more languages. So all you have to do is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to use, which you'd like to apply, and simply tap on this plus icon next to it. Here we've got the information how we can change the keyboard layouts if we've got more than one layout added. So here we can try new keyboard. All right, let me go up. And as you can see in this section, your languages, right now we've got our newly added language. Let me go back to the keyboard in order to show you how to use it. We've got our new keyboard, and as it was said before in a hint, we can change the layout just by swiping our finger on the spacebar. And as you can see right now, we've got English. And now let me show you how to remove the language. All you have to do is to go to the 4 dots icon again, go to languages, and here let's tap on More. And let's pretend I'd like to remove this one. I'd like to disable it. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it and it will be disabled. We've got only English set. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we cannot really swipe on the spacebar, which means that we just successfully removed the language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.